This is a Fulcrum Technologies screencast.
Hello there, I'm Rex Proctor. Thank you for joining me in this screencast. We're going to take a look at overlays in the movie collection. An overlay is an object that behaves similar to a movie angle inside a movie collection. However, it shows data about the clip that is playing, or it might be a movie timer, or in the future it could be a chart or a bar graph or some other data that's being calculated inside of angles. We're very excited about the overlays feature because it's a very generic object. And we're aiming towards creating an interactive video dashboard using these overlay features. So let's have a look at the three available overlays. I'm going to right-click on the movie collection. You can right-click anywhere, and we're going to drop in movie time. So I'm going to select Show Movie Time. Like I said, this is similar to an angle. So I hold down Option, and I can move that object anywhere I want inside of the collection. If I want to change the scale of it, I hold down Option and grab a corner, or I can grab any side of that rectangle that you're seeing. Let's add a qualifier overlay. So this is a strip that the qualifiers that appear inside of the clip will appear on top of the video. So let's just have a quick look at that. You can see here that those are being displayed. Now again, holding Option, clicking and dragging, I can change the size of that. If I want to change the background opacity, I hold down Command and I scroll over the top. If I want to change the size of the text inside of the qualifier or note, I hold down Option and I scroll up and down. Now the qualifier overlay does read from the visuals menu. So if you want less data to appear, let's say I just want to have the qualifiers, I can click that and you'll see that only the qualifiers will appear. So I'm going to show everything, and you'll see that I can now see anything that's inside, including attributes, their categories and such. The third available overlay is the notes overlay. So we'll grab that, and if I double click, you'll see that I have a note there. We're going to hold down Option. We'll move that down. And we got, this is a note. Remember that the opacity is Command scroll on top, and the size is Option control on top. Now, one thing to be aware of, that we have a best fit algorithm, and depending on how many angles and how they're arranged, it may not always be suitable when you flick. So just let us know when you see some odd things. We're really trying to calculate the best geometry to fit the arrangement. It's really a best guess. It's really automagical. Now, the other thing that I want to make you aware of is that the patterns can be stored. So I can store this overlay pattern. So if I store it, I can then apply that to other movie collections. Now again, depending on how many angles you have inside there and how they're arranged, that may not exactly fit. So you'll probably find you'll be fiddling around a little bit, and as this feature matures, we'll definitely get it better and better. The plan is to have multiple stored overlay patterns so that you can choose different looks. You may have different objects as we add more, and you'll be able to create some pretty stunning video dashboards. That's it for overlays. Thank you for listening and watching.